Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. As you know that today we're going to revise a little bit about phobia and then we go and move the next part on the phobia. Okay. If you remember yesterday we learned about the phobia. What is a phobia? Here we can see in this picture and a person, why he going to hide his face behind his hands and why this boy or a child little bit you can say that worried or in anxious for cutting or due to a barber. So let's see the reason behind, and we know very well what is wrong with this person and why would a 7-year-old child shun from cutting his hair. So there are a couple of questions that arise also in our mind. So let's see the reason behind this. So a little bit when we move down, we know that each of the person above this page number 31. So if you want to know, this is your textbook page number 31. Okay. This is your textbook page number 31. Each of the person above had been experienced which led him into a condition known as phobia. So what phobia? Again, let's see the definition in detail. It is not an illness, meaning to say not a disease. It is an irrational fear of something. Fear of something, what the things may be due to any, you can say that the childhood experience or due to any his early life stages, he has some bad experiences, you can say that he faced and that's make a problem for him. So let's see about them. When a normal person feel afraid, there is usually a reason for his fear. If he's scared or he has some fear, it tells us there is some reason behind the fear. Okay, a normal person. Fear results from a bad experience like war, a natural disaster, or simply an accident. So these are the reasons basically these happen. These are not considered as phobias. If you have fear of these things, it means these are not considered as, these are simply rational fears. What we call this? Rational fears. Yet when fear becomes too much, it is named as phobia. But when you have too much or extreme, you can't bear that condition, so we name this as phobia. So before to dive into the next part, I share a screen here from which you can easily understand about the definition of phobia, because yesterday we already know the lesson objective and what are these, we know very well. Now we're going to discuss about the normal fear and phobia. All people, you can say that, or a person might feel scared. Fear again is not a continuous fear which appear at all times. It will not every time, it's not for him, caused by a certain actions like an accident, natural disasters, or war. So this simply a normal fear. What is this? That is a normal fear. But when we're going to see the definition of phobia, so what we call that, it is an extreme fear, okay, too much fear of specific situations. When that situation will come in your life or for a person, the person can't face. So that's a reason he going to hide his face behind his hands, or maybe he has different, you can say that symptoms that we will discuss here. It is not shared by people. It is irrational. What we call this? This one is irrational, caused by a life experiences during childhood when he was small kid. Maybe that time he feel or experience these kinds of condition. So he has a specific type of fear, or you can say that afraid of these conditions. So this simply you can say that a phobia, you understand, I know very well yesterday. Now let's start today's topic. The first thing about the kind of phobias. So it is normal feeling to be scared when comfort and we young. What if we grow old and this goes on? What it tells you, basically this fear comes when you are young child, but when you become grow old or get younger one, what happened? So it will tell you, in this case it will get to be a phobia. Some people face such a fear, so they start having butterflies, sweating. These are, you can say that, the signs. They can't at all. This is a kind of social phobia. So sometimes they can't, you can say that, when you let them to go into the lot of people or in front of a crowd, and they can't, you can say that they don't feel themselves comfortable in front of the audience, or that is a kind of social phobia. Before to move on the other examples, please, I want to let you back on your textbook page number. Here we have 31. After understanding, we are going to move on page 32. So here a couple of examples. So let's see them one by one and we'll discuss in detail. So please open your textbook page number 32. Thank you very much. Okay, no problem. So here the kinds are mentioned. Number one, there are many different kinds of phobia. Look at some of these examples here. So the first example, or the first kind, that is a social phobia. Number one, it includes the fear of public speaking. So many people, you can say that, or other social situations, feeling worried when meeting new people, in also one form of social phobia. So they can't, you can say that, openly speak with new people or in the public places. They can't speak more well because they feel some, as you can say that, a little bit without confidence, or they don't feel better. So this is a type of social phobia. Second type here, agoraphobia. What is this? This number two, this is the fear of public space. What does mean? When you move into a public space, people suffering from agoraphobia don't like to be outside. They don't want to go outside in the mall, or you can say in the restaurants, in the stadium, because they can't face, or they don't want to face more people outside. Okay, now the next is about claustrophobia. That is the third type of the phobia. This is the fear of closed in space, like elevators, tunnels, or closed room, are places which these people cannot be in. They don't want a place where, like elevator is, it is closed, a room is closed, a tunnel is closed. So they don't themselves as, or they don't feel comfortable themselves in these types of places. So this is also a type of phobia. Now number four, that is aerophobia. That is mean air, height. You can say that these people find it extremely difficult to travel in planes, in airplanes. Their main fear is flying. They can't enjoy any form of sport which take place in air. So this the type of aerophobia. Till here, my dear students, if you have any question, please raise your hand, otherwise type no in the chat. Good, very nice, excellent, that's great. Okay, now next is the last type here, varied phobias. These are many other types. You can say that other types of phobias include those related to plants, blood, animals, germs, snakes, heights, and even dentists. These also have some type, or you can say that a little bit or maybe more phobia, or they have scared themselves, or they have fear of these things. So these are couple of examples, you can say that, in which we saw different types of phobias and we read them in detail. Now my dear, if any one of you have any kind of phobia, please send me in the chat. If any one of you, maybe someone he has a phobia from water, we can say that this is the type of hydrophobia. Maybe any one of you have any type of fear before the exam, so you can say that open before a book. You have a phobia from animals, you can say that they don't want to visit to the zoo. So please send me in the chat if you have any kind of this issue. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. That's great. Excellent. Okay, blood. Rashid tells that he has little bit fear from the blood. Okay, it's not a disease. Okay, keep it in your mind. Okay, that is not a disease. Understand? It is okay. Okay, no problem. Yes. What about the others? Everyone, please, if you have, otherwise you type no. If you don't have, type no. Okay, what are the symptoms? Okay, mean to say signs. If you have a phobia, then what are their signs? So let's see the symptoms. Waleed tells about the cars. Okay, so the signs of or the symptoms of a phobia is social. Phobia can be noticed through blushing, sweating, bling, quick heartbeats, tense muscles, or stomach discomfort. These are the types of in which, if you have a phobia, social phobia, so these things, if you feel, or if these things happening in you, you can say that these are the symptoms or the sign of the phobia. In most cases of phobia, a person also suffer from panic attack. Okay, so you can say that there will be some pain, or like these kinds of condition will come, which includes excessive feeling of terror or dread. So this will also come in your body, and you will feel that is just like a panic attack. So it is well noted that people suffering from a social phobia lead a difficult life. So if someone has this type of phobia, mean to say the social phobia, the life for him is very difficult, because you know that now the human beings, you can say that as social animals, so we can't spend or pass our life without meeting to the people, or without going outside, or moving to the mall, or for shopping, for buying the things, or even for a job. So it is very difficult. The emotional effects are usually great, whether it work, with family members, or in any social situations. So till here, my dear students, if you have any question, please raise your hand, otherwise type no. Yes, Abdul Aziz Imad, he just raised and then he lowered his hand. Okay, no problem. Now after that, I'm going to take you back on the link here. So if the student that just joined the meeting, they can open this link. Yeah. And the page that just I share with you will pop up in front of you. Yes, this one. Okay. Yes, Abdul Aziz Imad. Yes, my dear. Please speak. Yes, Mr. Abdul Aziz.
See the chat, what I write for you.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Just give me 1 minute only. Okay. Before to go next here, you can see that there are examples of the phobia that we just understand. So we're going to repeat again one by one all these. Number one is the social phobia, fear of social situation. Sorry, by mistake. Number one, fear of social situation. Claustrophobia. Second, fear of closed in space. Number three, agoraphobia, public like this. Okay, refuse to go out. Number 4, arrow, air, height, like traveling by them. Okay, other kinds of phobia you know very well, as one student tell me about blood and couple of students tell me about the animals and snakes or insects. These all the different types of phobia and their examples, we understand them very well. Now after that, how do people know what that they are suffering from a certain phobia? So the symptoms, you can say that we already discussed in detail: panic attack, tense muscle, trembling, sweating, then stomach discomfort, and quick heartbeat. Their heart is beating fastly. Yes, Mr. Rashid. Yes, my dear. Why you raise your hand?
Mr. How I know it's even I have phobia or no?
Yeah, if you feel any of this condition during a specific work, during or when you move on a specific place, or maybe when you expose to a certain you can say that event, if you feel any of these conditions, so you can say that you have a phobia from that. Yes, Mr. Salman.
Mr.
Yes, my dear.
I want send that what
The
the
link.
link.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Okay, you can send, you can type this in the chat. I can send you. Okay. For this, you just send me a chat, a message. Mr. Kindly send the message again or the link again. I can easily send you. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, let's see down about understanding the symptoms or the signs. If these signs are present, so you can say that you have a type of phobia. Now, how should phobia are treated? If have, so what is the solution? How you can resolve this problem? If anyone from you or in your family member, you can discuss with them. It is just like an activity. You can ask them if you have certain type of condition, and you will see that the condition like this. Okay, so you can them and you can say that yeah, you have a phobia, and how you can resolve this problem. Number 1, avoid embarrassing situations. Second, adopt to stress and manage it. Number 3, go on meditation. Sit for session 4. Yes. Okay. Session 4, therapy. Get exposed to the situation. The person feels gradually until he get better. What it means, you slowly move on. These psychologists, they are present, and physiologists, they also can work with you if you have any problem. So these are, you know that there are many doctors, they are psychologists. Okay, they work on your psychology and they work with you. They easily or slowly expose these conditions. For example, if someone have a phobia from height, so what they do, they let you to move first maybe 3 feet height. Okay, then they let you to move next, you can say that 2 feet, next maybe again 2. So total how much height you covered, that is almost 7, but before you can't move. So that is just like get exposed to the situation. The person feels gradually, slowly, step by step until he gets better. Understand? So now come back to your textbook again. So that is your textbook, page number 32 here. So how we can solve this problem? It will we've done this before. Now the last part here, for example, look, these are the things, or here the example on page number 33. Yes, no problem. Inshallah, don't worry. So look, this boy or child, you can say that fear of injection. This lady also having a phobia due to in a closed place. Okay, so what can and how can they overcome on them? So how should phobia be treated? So let's going to see their solutions. People who suffer from a certain kind of phobia usually try to avoid situations which might lead them to be embarrassed. So this is the first thing, okay? They also learn to adapt to stress and manage it really well.
Mister, sorry, but
No
we
problem.
write page 19.
19, why?
We write it.
Today we're going to solve page number 34, not 19, okay?
I question because if I don't write it, I write it.
No problem. You can go to my YouTube channel where I uploaded all the videos with their solutions, okay? So you can search the video from there and easily you can solve it. Understand?
That means we solve it.
Yes. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Okay, some people go on meditation to solve their problems, okay, while others follow the specific type of psychotherapy called cognitive behavioral therapy. In such a therapy, the person gets exposed to the situation, the fear gradually until he will go on until he feel more comfortable when facing it. So that is all about today's lecture. Till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Okay, well done. Thank you, my dear. Thanks. Okay, now after that, my dear students, we're going to solve its exercise that is on your textbook page number 34. So please, everyone, open your textbook, page number 34. Here you can see this. These the questions. First question, define the phobia. Okay. So
The link of your channel, I want it.
no problem, my dear. So that is the first question here that you're going to find it answer. Now I'm going to write its answer. What is phobia? So,
Mister, I know.
if you know, send me in the chat. If anybody know, please send me in the chat.
Page what, Mister?
Page 3 times I explain this page. Page number 34. Page number 34 from your textbook. Page number 34. So first question, what is phobia? Please tell me its answer.
We can answer.
No, type in the chat. Don't.
Okay.
So phobia is a condition that shows the fear of a person from a specific thing. That is the correct answer. Everybody please write it quickly. Okay, good. Now, after that, we're going to move to match the second question or exercise number 2. Match each type of phobia with its meaning. So let's see about them. Fear of water. What is this? That we name as hydrophobia. Fear of flying, everybody knows that. Yes, we read very well. That is, yes, that you can send me in the chat. You can send me in the chat, no problem. Thank you very much, Muhammad Majdi. Yes, you want to ask something? Yes, my dear.
Yeah, there is a phobia that that if I touch someone that have this phobia, he will scare and run. This phobia is?
What is the age of this person?
Let's see, like 20.
20 years old.
Yeah, and he fear from who touch him.
Oh my God. I am not a doctor, but he runs from there. Maybe he's scared or he has fear for something. Maybe some bad experience happened in his life. So he feels these things. Maybe. Okay. Let's do.
But he got a doctor and he have some phobia. I don't
Yes.
know what is this name of this phobia, but if one touch him or or he touch him, he will be scared and sit in sight.
Yeah. Well done. Excellent. You understand very well about that. Okay. Now after that, fear of animals. What we call this? This is zoophobia. Yes, Mr. Asim raised his hand. Yes, my dear Asim. Okay. Then the fear of books. What we call this? Bibliophobia. And
Teacher,
yes, my dear.
this what it?
Page number 34. And the last question here,
Okay.
fear of closed space. You know very well, we call this claustrophobia. Everyone, please solve this. Then I'm going to move down the last question, question number 3 here, or exercise 3. Name the type of phobia presented in these pictures below. Everyone quickly, who done, please type yes. First, you should write the answer. Define the term phobia.
I finished, Mister.
Right, then type yes. Don't speak here. Just type yes. Okay.
No, I want the link of your channel.
Yes.
Okay, I will share before to end the meeting. Inshallah, I will share. Now, after that, after understanding this, we're going to move on the last part of this page exercise. So here you can see that I need to raise this all because this here. Okay, name the type of phobia. So you can easily understand what's happening here, what's this type of phobia and what's going on here. So one by one, we will see and going to solve this. Okay, first you try to think, and if you know the answer, please send me in the chat. Well done, very nice, excellent. Everybody can try and send me in the chat if you know the correct answer here. What should be here? Well done, very nice, excellent. That's great. Okay. Good. Okay. What will be the next? Everyone, please send me in the chat. Till you not tell me, I will not going to write here. In the chat, everybody. Well done. That's great. Good. Okay. And what will be the last one? Last one. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, you can see from here, I'm going to again share the screen is already here. So this due to height, or you can say that in airplane, fear of flying. So what you name this one? Yes, very good. Second, here you can see water, hydrophobia, and this also in a place. Yes, well done, very nice, excellent, my dear students. Okay, so till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand, otherwise type no in the chat. or now the students, they want my channel link. Now I'm going to share with you.